Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are covering minor keys. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on this I button. Now let's start music theory. So today topic is minor keys. Now I just want to clarify one thing, guys. Either you key when sometimes I say key, sometimes I say scale. It is the same thing. See, in Trinity we use more of keys and we use more of tones on semitones. Whereas in ABRSM we use more of scale and whole note and half note. So sometimes if I talk to you in that language, don't get confused. It's the same thing. Okay. Now let's move forward. Minor keys, that means what is minor keys and why do they sound different from the major keys? See, because see, as we told you that they have same key signatures like C major and A minor. For example, in C major we play all the notes in white keys: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? So and A minor also we play the all the white keys: A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. But how is it possible? Because if we start something here and then we going here and then we going here, that means if you see, from C to D is one tone, then D to E is one tone, right? This distance is one tone and this distance is one tone. But if you come from A to B, this distance is one tone, but here to here is a semitone, right? So this is the reason they sound different. Okay, because of their because of their formula. Now that I will tell you. In grade 1 I told you in major scales we play tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, tone and semitone. This is the formula for your all major scale, no matter which major scale you are playing. Okay, now for the minor scale it changes. It becomes tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Now what's the difference? Difference is, in the major scale we used to use semitone in the third and fourth and seventh and eighth, but here in minor scale we use it in second and third and fifth and sixth. Yes, now you will see it here also. They have written here in grade 1 major scales are 3, 4th and 7th and 8th degree of the scale. Now minor keys sound different from major keys mainly because the tone semitone pattern is different, which I just explained you here. Now one more thing, in major scales are only major scales. There is no different kind of major scale. But whereas in minor scale there are, we learn three type of minor scale. One is natural minor, second is harmonic minor, and one more is that is a melodic minor that you will learn later on. But for right now you need to know natural minor and harmonic minor. Okay, remember that. So first we are going to learn the natural minor only right now. Now if we go further in the exercises, you will see the natural minor. See, this is what I told you. The formula is that second and third note is a semitone and fifth and sixth note is a semitone. Where was in major scale it was third and fourth was a semitone and seventh and eighth was a semitone. Okay, so this is, you can learn this. This is very easy. There's nothing much in that. Always remember the formula of which I told you here, that major scale is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, and minor is tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Okay, if you learn it in ABRSM or some other, then they will say whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, and here whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Okay, so let's move on to the next exercise. We'll move on to the straight away to the next page. Okay, now in this page we have to solve some questions. They have asked us give a name for the first degree in any key, major or minor is tonic. Okay, let's move on. Which note is the tonic in the key of A minor? It's simple, it's A note. Okay, if you write a piece in the key of A minor, from which scale will you take most of the notes? Simple, scale of A minor. Okay. Next we're doing is, if you listen to a piece in the key of A minor, on which note will the music often begins and end? Simple. Either you can write tonic note, or you can write here A note, because A note is the tonic note. Okay, and you finish and begin the music with A note only or a tonic note only. Yeah. Now next is, write the tonic in two different registers in the key of A minor. So we have to write the A at two different registers. Okay, A minor. So we know we'll start from A minor. This is our bass clef, and the first space is A. So let's mark this A minor here, and let's count one octave up. Okay, because the one scale is a one octave up only when we play. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. So this is our second register for A minor scale. So we got our two A at different register in the A minor scale going upwards. Okay. Next we have, write the tonic in three different registers in the key of C major. Now we have to write the three different register for the C major. Now you can start it from here also, you can start it from here also, but what I do for simplify, I just start from the center, because we have to find out three. If we have to find out two, then we can start from here or here, but if we are registering three of them, so I will start from center, then you can go one octave down, one octave up. That is easier for me. So you can also apply it if you want to. So let's start from, this is the second space in bass clef, that is our C. So this is our one register. Let's move up one octave. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this is middle C, because it's a bass clef. Yeah, we got the second one. Now the third one. 1 2 3 4 5, one leisure line, 6 7 and another leisure line, and then we make one C here. So now we got our three C's. Okay, let's move further. The next one, they say, write one octave A natural minor scale in semi-breve going up. Now we have to write one A natural minor scale going up. So remember these three things: natural minor, semi-breve, and going up. So let's start from bass. This is bass clef. Start from first space. This is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. So we have done the A natural. Okay, and we have done semi-breve, other notes, and they are going up. Now in A minor, we know there is no accidentals in it, or no, there's no key signature. That means there is no sharp on flat. That's why we're not putting anything over here. Okay. Now next is, write a one octave A natural minor scale in minims going down. Now we have to go downwards. So, and the note should be natural, and minim note should be there and should be going down. So let's start from the first line here. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So let's start from here. We are going up, 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 snake, up. Now we're going down, 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 and down. Okay. Next, write one octave A natural minor scale in semi-breve going up. Is the same question, it's same as written here. So let's do the same thing. Doing is it's same thing, but the only thing is the clef is changed. You can see this clef is bass clef and this is a treble clef. Okay, so let's do it in treble clef. So A will be second space here. Yeah, so let's start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and last is A. Okay, now same thing in bass clef, we have to go downwards. So let's start from here. This is our first leisure line here, coming down 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now we have to make the stems on them. going up, up. This is going down, 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 and down. Okay. So now here we finish this topic. Now I hope you understood it. Now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you guys.